In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your interior door handle on your Ford E-350 Super Duty, located in the rear on the passenger side cargo door. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to undo our nuts here. After you're done doing that, you just pull this off, and this little lever here goes underneath this handle, and it's what makes it go up and down. So make sure that you put that underneath the lever when you're putting your new handle in. Once you get it under there, line up your studs. Make sure that you are connected before you put your nuts on. Tighten these down by hand first and snug them up with your socket. You want to do about wrist tight. Don't over tighten because you will strip it out. Test your door handle. It's engaged and you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.